The survival reality check. Now, let's look at the numbers for 2026. Right now, there are over 12,700 nuclear warheads on Earth. Do you think human logic will prevail, or is a mistake inevitable? In a small nuclear war, say 100 warheads, the computer models show that global food chains collapse. We're talking about 2 billion people starving to death. Not from the radiation, but because the corn in Iowa and the wheat in Russia simply won't grow in the dark. But if we hit the 4,000 warhead mark, that's when we talk about total biological extinction. Wait, is there hope? Actually, yes. The models show that humans are incredibly resilient. Small pockets of society with underground bunkers and high nuclear literacy could survive. But surviving means living in a world where a common cold or a small infection becomes a death sentence. Because the global medical supply chain is gone.